I am greatly honored for this singular opportunity given to me by His Excellency, the President Nana Addo Akufo Addo, to represent him here for the opening of the National Development Conference 2023, but for an equally important assignment that has made it impossible for the President to be here in person. It was his utmost wish to honor the invitation and deliver this address. The President sends his warm felicitations to the conference, and he is grateful to the Church of Pentecost and the chairman, his very good friend, Apostle Eric Nyamiche, for the opportunity to deliver these remarks. The President says I should tell you this, and he says, if there is one church which has over the years, and particularly in recent times, risen to its duties of being a steadfast partner of government in the development of the nation, he there says it is the Church of Pentecost. Indeed, the contribution of the Church of Pentecost to education, healthcare, social welfare, and the financial development of Ghana continues to merit unalloyed gratitude of the Ghanaian people. The collaboration of the state and church in mutual respect and in the promotion of religious liberty has been an essential feature of Ghanaian governance, which has inured very much to the benefit of the Ghanaian people.